Good morning, students. Today we will start absolutely a new chapter from your cornerstone book. This is Taj Mahal, right? You all know about Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the most watchable places in India, right? And it is one of the great wonders all over the world. So each year and each festive season, all tourists, many tourists come from various states and various countries outside of India to watch this beautiful heritage made by Shah Jahan for his wife. Okay, now you all know a little bit or the other about Taj Mahal. Now in your chapter we will see what the what they are saying about Taj Mahal and what information can we get about Taj Mahal. Okay, so let's start. The dynasty which Babur founded in India was called Mughal dynasty. Babur's grandson Akbar accomplished the task of building a strong administration. So, the dynasty means बंगाली में जिसको हम बोलते हैं साम्राज्य. ओके, the dynasty, the ruler, the main ruler was Babur, and the ruling area, the area that he ruled were called dynasty. And what dynasty? Mughal dynasty. Okay, Babur founded Mughal dynasty. Babur's grandson Akbar accomplished the task of building a strong administration. So, who is the grandson of Babur? Babur's grandson is Akbar. Yes, Sultan Akbar, who accomplished the task of building a strong administration. Akbar's reign gave religious freedom to all. So, when Akbar was ruling, they were free to have any kind of religion of their own. Okay, whether Muslim or Hindu or Sikh, any kind of religion. The foundation of his empire lay in people's goodwill and earned him the title of Akbar the Great. So, he was so kind of religious orders and religious other religions that the people and all the other who were in the Mughal dynasty titled him as Akbar the Great. His grandson was known as Shah Jahan the Magnificent. Shah Jahan was known for his grand architectural structures. He is most famous for the world-renowned Taj Mahal, which he built in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. His grandson was Shah Jahan. Okay, so Babur was the founder of Mughal dynasty. Then his grandson was Akbar, and Akbar's grandson was Shah Jahan. Yes, Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was known for his grand architectural structures, right? He made many big buildings, many great structures. Okay, one of the most renowned and one of the most not one of the most important and the most beautiful heritage that Shah Jahan made of all time was the Taj Mahal, and he made the Taj Mahal on the memory of his dear wife. Okay, who was his Shah Jahan's wife? Mumtaz. Okay, you all know Mumtaz, Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. The total name of Mumtaz was Mumtaz Mahal. The construction of the Taj Mahal took 22 years, and huge amounts of money were spent on it. Today, it is considered one of the wonders of the world. Okay, so Taj Mahal took 20 years to make. Okay, it took Shah Jahan 22 years. 22 years to make the whole Taj Mahal, and loads and loads of money were spent on it. Okay, many money have been spent by Shah Jahan to build that beautiful heritage, Taj Mahal. Today it is considered one of the greatest wonders of the world. I have already told you that there are most probably 8 wonders in the world. Okay, there are Taj Mahal, there are Eiffel Tower, then there is a stadium in Rome. Okay, many wonders. If you Google Google the name that what are the 8 wonders of the world, you can find a great list where we have 8 wonders of the world, 8 wonderful heritages, 8 wonderful structures, architectural structure in the world, and one of the greatest of all structure is this made by Shah Jahan, the Taj Mahal. It is made of pure white marble and inlaid with precious stones. Okay, so it is made of white marble. You all see the picture of the Taj Mahal here or the other, so you all know that it is made of white stones, inlaid with white marble, the granite stones, and inlaid with precious stones. It was inlaid with many precious stones. It is one of the most beautiful structures made by man. So it is so beautiful that there is a doubt, is it made by a man? It is the greatest structure of all the time that is made by man. Thousands of tourists visit this monument every year. The Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of Yamuna River in Agra and earns the appreciation of all, especially on full moon nights. So it is situated beside the bank of Jamuna River, right? It is set in Agra, and there is Jamuna River, and just beside the Jamuna River there is the Taj Mahal, the great Taj Mahal. And as it is made by the white beautiful marble stones, it looks very pretty in the full moon night. When there is full moon in the sky, in the light and the ray of the moon, it looks beautiful, it shines bright. Okay, Shah Jahan was very fond of opulence. He had the famous Kohinoor diamond placed in his own crown. He died in 1666 at the age of 74 and was buried beside his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So Shah Jahan was very Shah Jahan had many fascination about precious stones, right? You all know about Kohinoor diamond, right? Kohinoor diamond was stolen by the Mughals from a foreign country. So there is this Kohinoor diamond placed in his crown. He was so fascinated with precious stones, precious marbles, that he used to set the crown with Kohinoor marble. There is a crown, Kohinoor stone was placed in his own crown. It was so precious. It's the most precious stones of the world. He died in 1666 at the age of 74, and he made the Taj Mahal at the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So Mumtaz Mahal was buried there. And bury means kabor dewa, right? Kabar jo hota hai na. He was buried just beside Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, so he was so dear to his wife that he was buried just beside Mumtaz Mahal inside the Taj Mahal. Okay, isn't it interesting chapter? It is very interesting. Google 8 wonders of the world and you will find 8 wonders, and one of them was Taj Mahal. Okay, so I will provide you the worksheets on Taj Mahal. Do it, and keep gain knowledge about Taj Mahal and other big heritages of India. There are many beautiful heritages in India, right? So go and watch it in Google, or you can search it on YouTube. You can find many videos on Taj Mahal and Mumtaz and Shah Jahan and Akbar and Mughal dynasty, right? So that's all for today. We will meet on the next video. Till then, bye bye.